Hello, I'm Chef Don McMillan, and today we're going to learn how to make Japanese souffle pancakes. They're going to rise up really high, they're going to be very light, very tasty, they're going to float out the window. Hey, we're going to make this today, but first, I want to be sure that you subscribe to us on Patreon. It's very important. Thank you. For this recipe, we're going to use 3 egg whites and 1 egg yolk. Here's how we separate the egg. Break the egg on a flat surface, and then it cracks in half like that, look. And then what we're going to do is go back and forth. Just want the whites in the bowl and the yolk in another bowl. Do not get the egg, any of the egg yolk in with the whites, okay? Very important to do that. And one last. Okay, there are our egg whites. I am now going to take the egg whites and put them in my refrigerator because they should be chilled when we beat them up. Well, let's assemble our batter. Remember that egg yolk we have? Let's go ahead and add other wonderful ingredients to it. Let's go ahead and break this up. And to this, I'm going to add some butter. Put that right in there, melted butter. Scoop that in there. Get all that fat and taste right into it. And then I have some lemon juice, a little bit of that, and lemon zest. This is really going to give it a nice kick-up flavor. We'll incorporate that. Buttermilk. That is going to be one fantastic pancake. Okay, and now we're going to sift together our dry ingredients. Okay, so I have my flour, all-purpose flour, baking soda, and baking powder. And we'll sift that all together and put it into our batter. Good. That is can create our batter. Look at this. So we want to get any of those lumps out of there, so do a good job stirring it. We can beat this, but when we start adding in the egg whites, that's when we're going to start folding. Okay, so our batter is now done and we're ready to work on our egg whites. So we have our 3 egg whites. Be sure you use a clean bowl, no fat, nothing. Even a little bit of fat on your finger will not make your egg whites puff up, okay? We're going to add that a pinch of salt. You could add lemon juice or cream of tartar, works well. Let's go ahead and start beating it. When we get the soft peaks, we're going to start incorporating the sugar until you get the firm peaks. You'll see how this goes in just a second too. Start out slow, otherwise we'll be flying all over. Okay, now we have our soft peaks. We're going to start incorporating the sugar a little bit at a time. Okay, look at those peaks. We want the firm peak. See how it's standing up like that? It's done now. And we're going to fold in the egg whites into the batter. First of all, put a little bit of look at those firm egg whites. Just put them in there. Just fold some of those in there like this. Just fold it, just around like that. Okay. Put just a little bit more, and then we're going to use the spatula to finish the job. Yeah. Okay. Now with your spatula, we're going to do about a third and a third. Put it in there, and then we're folding. This is folding, just turning it upside down on itself. Just like that. Just fold it in like that. See? Just like that. Fold it, and fold it. All right? Now we'll do another third. Fold that into it. See how easy that is? Don't beat it, okay? We worked hard, really hard, to get all that air into those egg whites, which is going to help our pancakes puff up. Just like that. And more. The sugar that is in the egg whites are going to sweeten up our batter, so there'll be plenty sweet and plenty fluffy. Oh my goodness. Yep, you're going to love these pancakes. The souffle just puff right up. Okay, let's get the rest of the batter in there. Use your spatula, like the rubber tip spatula I have. That's the best one to get all of the egg whites into the bowl. All right. There it is. All right, just a little bit more. Okay, I think I've got it blended in. So the next step is to cook these wonderful pancakes. So now we have our batter ready. I have my pan preheated. You have to preheat it, and we want to preheat it on low. So you want to keep it on a low fire, okay? And it has to be hot before you even start making the pancakes. And I'm going to show you a little tip. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in the pan, just like that. And then I have a paper towel and move it around. So you want to oil the bottom of the pan, even if it's a non-stick pan, okay? You want to do that because you want to get a beautiful color and you want to cook very evenly. Okay, get that hands nice and hot. And then we're going to layer on our batter, okay? So let's go ahead and put the first one in. And then we're going to do another one. Right on top layer. And we're going to put a tiny bit of water to steam. And cover it, and we're going to cook it. Now we're going to flip it. Wow, look at that. Oh, let's put a tiny bit more water in there. Cover it. Okay, look at that. Coming out. Oh, look. Whoa. Nice. Gotta make another one now. Whoa, look at this one. Dang, that's a pancake now. All right, put a little bit more water in there. Steam it up. Well, look at this, sweetheart. This is my lovely wife, Giselle. And we made these pancakes. I bet you never had this pancake before. Have you?
No.
No, okay. Well, I know you want to taste it. We want to be sure to let the people who are watching us, please subscribe. You got to tap that bell, make it ring. We'd love to keep sending you more tasty, wonderful videos. Oh my goodness, so many good things. This Japanese souffle pancakes are just going to float out the window. But before when you support us on Patreon, we're going to be sure that you're going to get exclusive content, early access, behind the scene videos, everything without the ads. So now is the time we're going to try it. Okay, here's your fork, here's mine. Let's just go ahead and dig in, right? I know you want the one with the most butter, right? Get that. Look how fluffy these are. Oh, these are really good. Get a big piece. Yeah, come on. We'll watch you eat. Yes. Oh my goodness. Love to do that. I'd also, thank you. I also love to send you this apron. Look, my wife is wearing one. Giselle's wearing one. I'm wearing one. You can wear one too. Really easy to get. When you subscribe, tell us in the comment file that you have subscribed. And for every 50th person who subscribes, we're going to send this to you anywhere in the world, even Mauritius, where my beautiful wife is from. We'll send it there, okay? So just hit that subscribe button. Let us know in the comment file, and this will be yours. Have some more pancakes, sweetheart. Yes, get a mouthful there. Get some. Try to fatten you up, huh?
Very good.
Thanks for watching our video. Check us out in the next one.